welcome back. Next up in our scary lineup, not so scary lineup, I'm happy to be back and happy to be opening cards, is Contenders Draft Picks Baseball. I think I've only ordered one box of this. I'm not sure entirely. 6 autographs. I meant to get 2, but I think I've only ordered 1. To be honest, I'm not sure who's in here, who I'm looking for. I guess it's like any other Contenders box though, in that there will probably be mostly no name, and then we hope for one good one, maybe a cracked ice of some sort of a good player, or at least a prospect that people are having a crush on right now. But 6 autographs, so you know they're not all gonna be good. I don't like having to look at an Auburn player on the top of the front of the box. That kind of stinks. But Casey Mize, yeah. Well, I understand it at least. That's somebody that would be nice to pull out of this, I guess. Even though he's an Auburn player, I have to wish for it. Alright. J.B. Bukauskas. Barry Larkin. This is a big stack. Let me set it down. You guys know I drop cards left and right. So, Evan White, A.J. Puck, and Brady Singer to 99. This is actually an on-card autographed parallel prospect ticket. Good looking card, but very Contenders. It's, you know, Contenders is, I don't know, kind of doesn't change much. There's a Mark McGuire old school, Jackson Kowar school colors out of Florida, game day ticket Trevor Larnach, I guess, Joey Bart, Steel Walker game day old school, I can't read that, Reggie Jackson, Ryan Rollison, Jake McCarthy, Ozzie Smith, Craig Biggio, Mark McGuire, and Chance Adams. I may not read all of these names. Might just kind of breeze through here and make this a shorter break. Check out the autos. Like I said, the inserts are so just standard, par for the course with Contenders. Molitor, Ozzy, yeah, I'm already getting a bunch of duplicates too. Mark McGuire, here we go. Here's a cracked ice Parker Meadows to 23. One thing you can't deny, even if the inserts are kind of always the same, the cracked ice are always the same, and they always look good. That is just a really sweet looking parallel. So that's nice. Already an auto to 99 and a cracked ice to 23. Cool. Bart, school colors, Grenier, Biggio. What is up with this blurry picture of Biggio? Look at that. You couldn't get any closer to him? Rollison, Seth Beer, Bo Jackson, Schmidt, Wright, Rooker, and Duplantier. Alright, next pack. By the way, there are 6 packs, so 1 auto per. Oh, looks like we have a plate. I wonder if it's autographed. Let's see. Bo Jackson, Frank Thomas, Hazley. It is not autographed. Let's see who it is. It is a Jake Berger black plate, 1 of 1. It'd been cool if it was signed. I mean, you can't bitch too much about pulling a 101, but it would have been nice if it was autographed. I'm allowed to wish that, aren't I? So cool. I don't know. It definitely looks like it was used. It's kind of scratched up on the back. So this, yeah. That's cool. So far, so good. I'd say I'm 3 for 3. The autograph is another numbered autograph. Nick Decker to 99. Sticker prospect ticket autograph. So that was a hell of a sweet pack. Alright then, what I'm talking about. There's Beer again. Frank Thomas. There's Mize. School colors. Game Day. Jonathan India twice. Griffin Roberts. Ozzie Smith. Singer. Evan White again, Paul Molitor again, Dave Winfield, and Nick Senzel. Alright, 3 more packs. I'd say so far so good. Anything else to me is just icing on the cake at this point. This has been a really good box. Alright, Rooker, Duplantier again, Jackson. Our autograph is another numbered autograph. Estelani Castillo. Draft ticket to 99. Wow, okay. That is one of the international players. McGuire, McCarthy, Bomb, I guess. Madrigal game day ticket. Gilbert. There's another Mize game day. Stillwalker. School colors. Brendan McKay. Jake Berger. Larkin. And Big Hurt. Fred Lynn, Alex Fado. Who's this? David Peterson. Jake Berger. Here is a... What is this? Are you freaking kidding me? Bo Jackson autograph. Old school colors Bo Jackson autograph. What a freaking box this has been. Holy smokes. Let's see if it's numbered. Let me try not to drop it. It's not numbered, surprisingly. Not that I give a hoot. Wow. Holy smokes, what a box. Yikes. Happy Halloween to me. That is crazy. This box has been just off the hook. Wow, I'm still a little shocked by that. It's still early here too, so I'm sitting here kind of in a stupor. There's Puck, Bukauskas, and Fado again. Alright, last pack. Jeez. So we're looking at a printing plate. Every autograph, except for Bo, has been numbered. And the one that's not numbered is Bo Jackson. Bo freaking Jackson. Wow. Let's see if this is just a regular autograph. Castanura. There's McKay. Here is a Ozzie Smith parallel to 99. Draft ticket parallel. And our last autograph is another numbered Steel Walker on card to 15. This box, I'm going to ask this box, will you be my boyfriend / girlfriend? Circle yes or no. And it's going to circle yes. Because this has been incredible. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That is a nice return from vacation. And there's my drop card. One per video. At least it wasn't an autograph this time. I got too excited. Grenier, Swaggerty, Griffin Conine. I wonder if he's related to Jeff Conine. There's Bo again, Fred Lynn, Adam Hazley, and Peterson. Wow. Okay. I guess I'll do a little recap and try not to drop anything. So I did get this Ozzie Smith parallel to 99 and the 1/1 printing plate of Jake Berger. Try to be careful here. So I am Butterfingers. Still Walker on card. Playoff ticket to 15. Bo Jackson, old school colors, not numbered. Estelani Castillo, draft ticket to 99. Nick Dicker, sticker auto to 99, draft ticket. Parker Meadows, cracked ice to 23. And a Brady Singer prospect ticket on card to 99. And that, my friends, is one hell of a box of Contenders draft picks. Wow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to sit through this little amazing break here. That was really cool. Hope your boxes are even half as good as this. I hope they're as good. But if they can't be, I hope they're half as good. Everybody take care. I'll be back with, I think I've got more illusions. I've got a whole bunch of stuff. I've got a whole box of boxes waiting to be opened. So stay tuned.